are in the 240 and today we're going back to the tuner. It's about 10 a.m. and we got to be there at 11, so we're gonna start the trip. Me and Coose are in the 240 and pretty nervous about it, but we're gonna do what we can to get her done. That's good.
We'll be fine. It is not excited that I'm riding in the car.
No, it's not happy at all. Fuck, that's really not good. Damn it. Coose, can you take your truck?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, let me go get the truck. I'm gonna try and follow you as close as I can because I don't know how to get to Oregon City, nor do I know how to get home. This is so fucking cool. The car has turn signals and that is really cool. Oh man, I wish Samsquanch were here. I lost him as soon as we got on the highway, but that's alright. I'll catch up to him. Hey, I hope it's cool that I'm not filming as much because I'm driving this time. That's right, everybody. The nut machine made it onto the channel. Nice, dude. Hell yeah. I just jizzed in my pants a little bit. How was that?
We made it. We made it to Dyno.
That was so much fun.
That was fun. Check it out.
Spicy.
Break that.
We are next in line.
Hell yeah. Fucking sick. Ooh.
Super boost.
There's so much going on. I'm so happy right now. This is like when we went to the junkyard, except better because all these cars are here. Case in point. Is he gonna make it?
Yeah, he's got it.
Oh yeah, no, yeah. Fucking perfect.
I gotta look and see.
Let's look on that Samsquanch. So, homeboy thinks VVT cylinder isn't working?
No, it isn't working. That's factual.
Oh shit.
Even with the new one. So, I don't really know.
Well, we're done now, but that's okay. Right, it looks like there might be some trouble up ahead. I saw blue lights. And let's just see what we see, huh? If there is trouble, I want to get close to Jonas as possible. Play it cool. Oh, there's a car in the ditch. Shit, dude. That sucks, guys.
Get yourself some gas, boy.
Okay.
Hey. All of our VVT is broken. So, like we said in the last video where we tuned this car, the way they were using the VVT on the 1J was the wrong way. And originally we thought that it soiled the solenoid, but not only did it fry the solenoid, it also ruined the VVT gear. We found that out pretty quick after getting to the dyno, so we pretty much just turned around and came home. So now we have to get new VVT gear, and then we can go back and try again at the dyno. But until that happens, the car does run. It's not missing anymore, which is cool. But yeah, I mean, we're limited to 215 horsepower-ish, but... Alright guys, so that last clip cut out. We were talking about the 240. I was clearly pretty bummed. Now, let me just explain to you. This car has been a really long project. It was a lot bigger project than we originally anticipated, and there's been a lot of letdowns with it. So when we were going to the dyno, we were pretty damn sure it was ready. And to get there and then immediately turn around and not have a dyno or a tuned car was kind of a bummer. But it is running good. It's running good. It's making 215 wheel, and although that's like not much at all, given what the car is, it sounds sick. It drives great. Like the suspension's set up really well. The alignment's pretty good, and it's pretty ready to party. So we're thinking about going to Summer Jam this upcoming weekend and seeing how the 240 might handle it. It looks really good in the rain, man. I love the rain. Rain makes cars look sick. So in preparation for potentially going to Summer Jam this weekend, I decided to go ahead and redo my headlights, because that needs to happen before this car gets driven on the street more. The new headlights I got are a little bit different than the ones that I've been using. The ones I've been using are 2.5 inches, and these ones are 3 inches. So they're a little bit bigger. Not only that, These guys are mostly blue. It's noticeably blue, and there's noticeable, like, there's bits of red in it. It's very clear. So that's illegal. That's just not gonna fly in the States. I'm doing my best to make sure this car stays legal where it's important, so that if a cop is like, yo, your car's too low, it can be like, well, at least my headlights aren't also blue and red. What I'm trying to say is I want to give cops as little reason to pull me over and give me shit as possible, because this car is pretty ridiculous. So I'm doing the best I can here to make sure that my headlights, my taillights, all the stuff that I need is nice. Anyway, I'm gonna stop blabbering and I'm gonna weld these guys up because it's gonna be super easy. Alright, and there are the new headlights. I made the brackets for them, installed them, and they look pretty good. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it for sure. With the little bit bigger bulbs, it does kind of fill out the space more. So, happy days. Success.
It's a different kind of Nazi.